Good morning, viewers. In today's presentation, we are going to look at two words specifically. One is AKWA. It means four things. Another one is ARA. Then for AKWA, the first one is aqua. Aqua. That is the clothes you wear. Another one is aqua. Aqua. Where you lie down. The bed where you lie down. Another one is aqua. Aqua. Aqua, the egg that you eat. Egg that you eat. Another one is aqua. Aqua. That is when somebody is crying. Aqua. For ARA, ara, breast. Breast you have. Then R again, madness. Somebody who is not doing well, who is not fine, madness. You can comment, share, and like. In our next presentation, we are going to look at other words that start with A and their meanings. Thank you.